Well, hello. Today I just have a short video for you. It's kind of an interesting one. Uh, I was wanting to put a new automation and a new light switch in our laundry room. Seemed like it should be easy. So, like, this is the dining room, and I just wanted a switch. This is a smart switch, etc. But no, it wasn't quite as easy as I thought it would be because I have a two switch box uh, and I couldn't find a switch to actually work there. I know there are, especially with Home Assistant. So let me show you what I did and then I'll give you some information on it because it works. So what I did, this is the actual room here. And so what I had to do, well, you see the light went on. This light up here is a two pin light. So in other words, it just has two pins, goes and turns around. So if I wanted to use a smart bulb, I would actually have had to put in a new fixture to do exactly what I wanted to do. So I didn't want to do that. So I went over to the switch, which is right here. And so I had two switches, and this is the switch that controls that light and the pantry. So you could see here this small little box. That is the switch. It's a Sonoff switch. I'll show you both the picture and put a link in. That was very inexpensive, and it works. It's a Zigbee, so it works with Zigbee. And so what I do is I have to get a new plate, but I will cover it. And this side of the plate here, the right side, as you look at it, will be blank, and we'll cover it. So it was really easy to set up. You could see I didn't have a neutral wire, but you could see I put the three wires in here. So I have one coming from the box and one going to the light. And so what happens, you saw the light came on when I walked here into the laundry room, and there's proof it's the laundry room. And then a little bit further over, if everything has worked, you could see that the bathroom light, we have a small little half bath here, turned on with my third reality little sensor here. So there you go. It's a really inexpensive and simple way to put a switch in, kind of hide it behind. You know how you're always worried about people, don't turn that switch off. Well, I don't have to worry about it in this particular case. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed it, get something out of this video. And thank you so much, as always, my friends, for watching.